Nassim bought another truck. I don't know how Nassim affords all these trucks.
Yeah, buddy, dude. What's that?
I don't know how he affords all these trucks.
Right.
Damn, dude, this thing's a piece of shit.
What'd you say?
I said, damn, this thing's a piece of shit.
Oh, that's nice.
No, it is nice.
That's not even that bad. I take just like.
She's hurt. Oh no. She's hurt. Oh, now we're smoking. There was the oil pan. Oh no. What are the chances we're going to be able to roll back home?
We're just bringing it back.
Right.
For round 2. Yeah, buddy, dude.
So, like, the way I like to do it is when you go back and forth, completely perpendicular, back and forth, and then back and forth, and then back and forth, and then back and forth. Whoa! This thing's a piece of shit.
Oh, that's nice.
I don't know how he affords all these piece of shit.
I've never lapped valves before.